In this video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a bundle in Stan Store. In order to do that, you first need to head over to their website, which is stan.store. Once you're in there, proceed to create an account by clicking on the sign up option or clicking on the discontinue option that we can see into this part. Now, we also have the option to log in if you already have an account, so proceed to click on this login option that we can see right here. Now, let's head over right here into our Stan Store. Once you're in there, click on this My Store. Click onto this Add Product. Choose right here the kind of product that you want. Choose right here Digital Product. Now into this, you can see the option for the product list type. You can just add in here an image, text, buttons, and in here you can find it. Head over next to your checkout page. You can add in here the image as well, the description, the set price for that. Once you're done with this, head over to the next option, which is the options right here. You can change out the confirmation email, review, order bumps, affiliate shares, and the likes. Now the thing about this is you need to upload your files right here. So this can actually help you. Click onto this upload or you can also just drag your file. I have in here these files that I wish to give as products. Just select those files and just drag it right here. This will actually upload those products into this part. And once you're done with this, just wait for this to finish the uploading. And from in there, proceed to click on this publish, and this will actually be added as a bundle. Alternatively, you can also just create a zip file containing all of it, like for example this one, and then add it as a product that can be extracted by the customer. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you.